Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT J5, and today I will show you how to access the fastboot mode on this device. So we're going to start off by shutting off the phone, hold power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold volume up and power key. So volume up and power. And as you can see, we're now in boot mode. So from here, using volume up only to select, you want to select fast boot mode, which is in the middle, and confirm it with volume down. And then you will see the message below pop up, fast boot mode, and the device is now actually in fast boot mode. So that's how you would access it. Now, if you want to leave it, the way to do it is to basically remove the battery. So I'm gonna do it right now. Go. So removing the battery and then powering the device back on. And the device will now boot back up into the normal Android. And we're back in the Android. So that is basically how you would enter and also exit the fastboot mode on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.